Good day, everyone. This is Sir JM. Today, let us discuss dividing radicals with different index. Let's have example number 1. We have here cube root of 3 divide by square root of 2. Now, our main goal here to simplify this given expression, first, we need to eliminate the radical expression in our denominator. Okay, let's have cube root of 3 over square root of 2. Now, to eliminate the radical expression, okay, in our denominator, we must focus here that our index is 2. Now, to cancel out the index, in way back in our past lesson, kailangan yung exponent ng ating base is 2 din ang exponent dapat. Therefore, paano ba natin masasabi o paano natin gagawin na ang exponent ng 2 natin ay maging square? Okay, therefore, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay? Ang tawag sa method na to is rationalization. Now, using law of exponent, if this is our base, okay, we need to multiply our base by itself. Yes. Therefore, the exponent, it will be square. Okay, therefore, we have here square root of 2 over square root of 2. Now, as you can see here, the exponent of our base is 1. Its index is 2 because in multiplying radicals with the same index, we just multiply the radicand. Okay, now we have here, first, let's go to our numerator rather. We have cube root of 3, then square root of 2, therefore, it will remain as cube root of 3 times square root of 2. Mamaya natin gagalawin yan. All over. We have here same index, therefore we have square root. Copy the base. Okay, then add the exponent. We have here 2. Now, if you remember that our index here in our denominator is 2, way back in our law of radicals, if the index and exponent are the same, what will be the answer? The answer is the base. Okay, let us just copy our numerator. Cube root of 3, then square root of 2, all over. Now, in this given, we can cancel our radical sign and our exponent, and we have here 2. Okay, now our goal here to eliminate the radical expression, na-meet na natin yon, then punta na tayo sa ating numerator. Let us simplify our numerator. Now, babalik tayo sa multiplication of radicals with different index. Okay, yung method natin dyan, ano ginagawa pag different index? We multiply the index. We have 3 times 2, we have 6 root. Okay, then we have here 3. What will be the exponent of 3? Yes, the index of the other radical expression. We have 3 raised to 2 times. Okay, we have here 2. The index is 3. The exponent is 3 rather. All over 2. Then we have here 6 root of 3 raised to 2 is 9 times 2 raised to 3 is 8. All over 2. Ito po, dito po galing yan. 3 raised to 2, that is 9. 2 raised to 3, that is 8. Then, over 2. Okay, then multiply. 9 times 8, we have here 6 root of 72 over 2. And this is our final answer. Okay, let's have another example. Dito naman tayo sa example number 2, guys. We have here square root of 2 over cube root of 3. Pinagbaliktad lang natin. Okay, para ma-emphasize natin how can we eliminate the radical expression in our denominator. Okay, again, we copy the given. Square root of 2 over cube root of 3. Again, kailangan yung exponent ng ating base dito sa ating denominator, kailangan maging 3. Okay, alam natin na ang exponent niya rito ay 1. Therefore, we multiply it by same index dapat. We have cube root. Okay, kung 1 ito, para maging 3, kailangan ang exponent ng base natin ay 2. There we have here 3 raised to 2. All over cube root of 3 raised to 2. Okay, now, to simplify, we have here square root of 2 times cube root of 3 raised to 2 all over. Okay? Since same index sila, we have cube root of base is 3. Then, add the exponent. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, then, copy again. Copy lang natin to. We have here square root of 2 cube root of 3 raised to 2 all over cube root of 3 raised to 3. Since ito ay same index, same radicand, kaya ang gagawin natin, we cancel the radical sign and exponent. The answer is the base. Okay, since ito na po, dito na tayo mag-focus to simplify. We have here square root of 2 cube root of 3 raised to 2. Again, we multiply our index. It becomes 6 root. Okay, next, our radicand 2. Okay, the exponent of our 2 is 3 times 3 raised to 2 is 9. Okay, that is 9. The exponent is 2. Again, saan ito nanggaling? Ito yan, 3 raised to 2. And exponent niya, dito galing. Then we have here all over 3. Then simplify. 6 root of 2 raised to 2 is 8 times 9 raised to 2 is 81 all over 3. Then, to simplify, 8 times 81, okay, that is 6 root of what? That is 6 root of 648 all over 3. And this is our final answer. Okay, now it's your turn. Try this. Okay? Para mahasa ang skill ninyo. Again, don't forget to share and like my video. And God bless us all, guys. Thank you.